Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe, today presenting this Volkswagen T-Roc 1.0 TSI design. Finished in white and powered by a refined 1-liter petrol engine paired with automatic transmission, the T-Roc delivers smooth and efficient drive with surprisingly confident feel. The T-Roc design strikes a fine balance between boldness and sophistication thanks to LED daytime running lights, sport-style bumpers and body-colored door mirrors. It sits confidently on 17-inch alloy wheels, which not only provide visual impact but also contribute to composed ride with excellent grip and stability. At the back, a high-level brake light, trapezoid chrome effect exhaust surrounds blend neatly with the rear styling. Open the boot and you'll find wide and practical luggage area, easily expandable with split folding rear seats and a center load-through provision. Inside, rear passengers enjoy ambient footwell lighting and comfy rear seating with ISOFIX points for child seats. The center armrest folds down to reveal convenient cup holders and the cabin offers multiple storage compartments. The front features height adjustable comfort seats and soft touch materials across the dash with elegant dark oak brown decorative insets. The leather trimmed 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel includes media and phone controls. The multifunction computer display shows the vehicle data such as range and fuel usage in crisp white instrument lighting. On board of this vehicle you'll find the 2-zone climate control with automatic recirculation and allergen filter, which ensures cool, pollen-free environment for those summer adventures. Infotainment system comes with composition media system with high-resolution touchscreen, offering radio and media options as well as phone and app connectivity thanks to Bluetooth and CarNet App Connect for smart device integration. You can also access car menu, enabling you to access driving data and vehicle settings, such as Think Blue Trainer, which encourages efficient driving with feedback and score tracking. The driver will additionally benefit from parking services at the front and back. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen T-Roc 1.0 TSI design. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.